Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have our street tacos, everybody. These are special street tacos. These are called hood street tacos, everybody. Grandmother, it's so funny. I'm just excited to share this with everybody. Okay, we already did our ghetto guacamole. We did our ghetto guacamole the other day. It's on our TikTok channel and on YouTube channel and on Instagram. So I just want to say, go over there and look at that recipe. Also, we're going to have these hood street tacos, everybody. Look at that. It just makes you want to foam and slap somebody. I'm going to tell you right now, sometimes you can't afford all of those steaks and beef steaks and all that stuff and carne asadas, but instead we did it with ground beef, everybody. The good old-fashioned ground beef way, okay? Now, the way we do this, we add flavor to it. Flavor, okay? Then we did our tacos. We did our white corn tortillas and nicely sizzled in a little bit of vegetable grease to make them softened up and all that good old stuff. It's the same old thing for NFL football tonight. We do it on Sunday, Monday, and Thursdays. We're going to throw down tonight. Are you really excited about the games, Grandma? Oh, yes, I am. Oh, yes. And you know what? I'm going to tell you, this food right here is just like street tacos. I'm going to tell you right now, follow us on YouTube for a lot more to share. And follow that good old, what is this? Good old guacamole. Go and get it. I'll see y'all later. Time for the game.